This video will cover the startup of the Winston CVap RTV Series 5 and Series 7 Retherm oven. After you unpack your unit, remove the box of shelf racks and any packing material from inside of the unit. Next, plug the unit into the correct voltage and phasing. The unit voltage is listed on the serial number tag, which is located on the upper right side of the cabinet. Install the provided shelf rack. Next, verify that the drain valve is closed. C-Vap Retherm ovens include automatic water fill. Have an authorized service agent or plumber connect the water fill line. If you want to wait to connect the water fill, you can manually fill the evaporator pan. The evaporator pan holds approximately 2.5 gallons of water. To turn the RTV unit on, press the blinking W. Select the desired preset channel. The unit will go into preheat. Once the unit has reached the set point, the display will read heated. Place your food product in the oven. Press enter to begin the cook cycle. After use, turn the oven off by pressing the blinking W. Drain the water from the evaporator pan. Clean and dry out the oven.